Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Excel slicer to filter data in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this table here basically, and now if I basically want to filter some data here using the Excel slicer, I will basically first of all select my table here like this one, and then make sure that you are in this insert tab here, and in this insert tab here you can see that we have this slicer option basically. So when you will click on this one, what this will do is it will basically show you all of the column names at here. So let's suppose that if I want to basically filter some data on the basis of task name here, I will just select task name here, and when I will click on OK here, you can see that it has now showing me all of the tasks here. Okay, so let's suppose that if I wanted to filter the data from task number 10, if I click on task number 10, it will just show me here task number 10. So here you can see that it is showing me just task number 10. Now if I want to filter the data from maybe like task number 1 or task number 2 here, it will just show me this data. Okay, so that's how you can basically use slicers in my Microsoft Excel. So that's it for this tutorial guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.